Are you in your car? Are you having a good time? Are you having a good time? Yeah. Why don't you honk the horn? You want to honk the horn? There you go. Good job. You did it. Where are you going? Are you going to go cruise for some chicks? Okay, well, you might want to brush your hair first before you go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.